Have you ever wondered what the world looks like up close? Beyond what our eyes can see, there's a universe of beauty and complexity waiting to be discovered. Welcome to the secrets of the everyday world, where the invisible becomes beautiful under the microscope. Our everyday lives are filled with things we take for granted. A drop of water, a grain of sand, a single hair, seemingly simple objects. But under the lens of a microscope, these ordinary items transform into extraordinary wonders. The microscope unveils a hidden dimension, revealing intricate structures and vibrant colors that we could never imagine with the naked eye. Take a look at a water droplet. To our eyes, it's just a clear, shapeless blob. But magnified, it becomes a world of its own. You might see tiny organisms like bacteria and plankton thriving within it. They create a dynamic ecosystem, each playing its role in a complex dance of life and survival. Now, let's explore a grain of sand. What appears uniform at first glance reveals stunning variety under the microscope. Each grain is unique, with jagged edges and a kaleidoscope of colors. These grains tell a story of erosion, transportation, and the geological forces that have shaped our planet over millions of years. Even something as simple as a human hair can reveal hidden beauty. Its surface shows tiny overlapping scales, like shingles on a roof. These scales give hair its strength and flexibility. And they also hold clues about our health and history. Every hair tells a tale if you know how to read it. The microscope is more than just a tool. It's a window into another world. It allows us to appreciate the incredible detail and diversity of life at its most fundamental levels. It reminds us that beauty and wonder can be found in the most unexpected places. So the next time you encounter something ordinary, take a moment to consider what secrets it might hold. You might be surprised by what you discover. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the microscopic world. Remember, the invisible can be breathtakingly beautiful. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep looking closer. There's a whole universe waiting to be revealed.